everybody, it's Mike's Many Things. We are headed over to a friend's house right now, kind of late in the afternoon. It's been snowing all day. Friend is out of town, so I offered to snowblow his driveway for him. That way when he gets back, he's not coming back to a whole bunch of snow and everything else. And I think I might get a little more while he's away, so I might have to stop over there again. But he's got a Bobcat 2025, great machine. I think it has 60-inch pull type snowblower on there, and for only having 25 horsepower, the thing works just fine for its its use case and everything else. So excited to get over there. I met him there last week, kind of just go over it again. I've driven it once before, but the hydrostatic is new to me. I have a John Deere with just kind of those manual gear sets, so I'm definitely comfortable on it after driving it a couple more times. So let's get over there and see what he has going on. And I do want to fill you in. There've been getting close to probably a year between uploads. It's not that I haven't been doing or recording anything. There were a couple projects I worked on that I recorded. I'm not sure if those videos will see the light of day. They're kind of shoddy at best. So not that I really care. Putting out subpar products, a lot of stuff is informational, and rather have some sort of information out there than nothing at all. But I do have a few things in the lineup this year. I think I shared before. Most of what I like to do is just kind of random projects, DIY type stuff, turning wrenches or work on machinery, stuff like that. So I don't know exactly how often I'll be posting. I'd like to still do it more and add some more content out there whenever I feel best or when it feels best. It's one of those things where you're about to work on something for the day, and it's like you got everything lined up, but then it's like, oh shoot, I should probably record this. So I gotta be a little better about that. But yeah, I just wanted to throw that out there as well. It's not that I don't want to post anything or upload anything. I certainly do. Sometimes it just falls on me. I got other stuff going on, and I'd rather get the project done than making sure it gets done and recorded. Sometimes time is of the essence. So just want to throw that out there. All right, everybody, let's get on with the video of working with this Bobcat snowblower and clearing out this 200-foot driveway or so, I think it is. Rock and roll. On the way to this, look at this little guy. That Kubota with another pull type. Nice, right on, buddy. Today we're looking at something a little bit differently. We got ourselves a nice Bobcat 2025. I believe it's a 2024 model. Little hydrostatic action over here, and open cab. I should just say no cab. So we're gonna be out in the elements today. We're going to be doing a little snow blowing. Here we have a SunDown SEL60PT. So 60-inch wide, manual chute, manual kind of thrower snowblower. We probably won't spin this much. At my buddy's house, this is his tractor and his whole setup. So yeah, we'll get this thing fired up. I'll probably do a few passes. I didn't bring my tripod or microphone with me, so it's gonna be a lot of manual shots like this. But I've seen this thing in action once before, and it does a pretty good job. Cool to see compared to the 85 horse track I'm usually working with on the John Deere. But this Bobcat works just as well. My buddy, he's got a guy, and he hooked him up pretty good with this Bobcat 2025 CT2025. So yeah, let's fire this thing up and get her purring. So you know what I'm realizing is that this thing kind of has like a seat sensor. So if you jump off of here while it's running, I don't think it likes it too much. We are in neutral, but let's try this again. Because I just hopped off to try to do like a little tour of it, but didn't like that.
So it might be a little heavier, but this thing's handling it. Uh-oh. I don't think we can avoid this one. Oh, right in the lap.
So real quick, this CT2025 has got a bucket on the front, got the skid steer quick attach, which is good to see. Hundreds of different accessories you can pair up with that. So this looks like it is detachable. And everything, I don't know any that really aren't. But the SunDown SEL60PT is working just fine. I want to strengthen up this 3-point so it's not moving as much or getting cockeyed, but I'll talk to my buddy with that. But similar to the MK Martin I have, if you help them fix a shear bolt. So there's one for the this one's for the auger back here, but then I'm pretty sure up under there's a shear bolt there too. So this SunDown was nice. It's actually, looks like we have an MK Martin little thing on here. I'm not sure if they're the same company or sold by, sister companies or whatever you call it. But these guys included shear bolts with you. So the first time it happened, we didn't have to go anywhere. Now he's since stocked up on a couple more just in case, because it's bound to happen with these things. But he's got to make sure no dirt or any sort of debris winds up in there, doesn't get caught up on this side or up in here. Let's see the one gear, but no, this thing's working great. Got a couple, looks like 2 different hydraulics in the front. No, there's an option for a 3rd line, but doesn't have it on here. But this thing's holding its own. Got a couple more passes to do over here, but as for the driveway, free and clear. Like I said, not much snow. Maybe 3-4 inches. I think we're gonna get a couple more, but that's the FL7 one. That's what the bucket. That's the model for the bucket. Like I said, I think I'm supposed to get a couple more inches, but this thing, like I keep saying, handles it just fine, and definitely a good pickup on my buddy for his driveway here. Not that long, a couple hundred feet, but perfect for what he needs it for. I want to keep talking. I think snow blowing, especially with tractors, and especially if you have a cab, with a heated cab, that is one of the best things going. Like, it is so, I mean, obviously I don't do it day in and day out. It's not like my job, but it is very therapeutic, and it's kind of along the lines like pressure washing, where you can see what's dirty or what the problem is. In this case, it's snow, and then you just use the machine, work it over. You put that snowblower to work, and next thing you know, you got a clear driveway, clear sidewalk, whatever it is you're driving through, and you got the heat going, maybe a little music, just vibing. Very therapeutic. All right, I'll stop talking.